Nestled along the serene banks of the Li River, Yangshuo is one of those rare places that looks like it was painted by nature itself. Majestic karst mountains rise like ancient guardians, mirrored in the calm waters below. It's home to iconic spots like Moon Hill, the Silver Cave, and the West Street, a meeting place of travelers from all over the world. For centuries, poets and painters have called this place a dream of rivers and clouds. Today, it stands as a symbol of peaceful living and eco-friendly tourism, attracting millions each year with its raw, untouched beauty. Welcome to Yangshuo, where nature speaks softly and time seems to flow slower. Let's explore together the land, the people, and the spirit that make this place one of China's most beloved treasures. Yangshuo is located in Guangxi Autonomous Region in southern China. It covers an area of around 1,400 square kilometers, surrounded by limestone peaks that have become world famous for rock climbing and photography. The region has a subtropical climate, warm, humid, and rich in rainfall, which keeps the landscape lush and green year-round. One fascinating story says that the Li River's winding path inspired ancient Chinese scholars to shape their calligraphy strokes. Graceful, flowing, and full of rhythm. It's no wonder that many people call this place a living painting. What about you? If you could spend one morning here, would you choose to cruise along the river or hike among the clouds? Tell me in the comments below. Life in Yangshuo flows like its rivers, calm but full of movement beneath the surface. Most of its residents belong to the Zhuang, Yao, and Miao ethnic groups, each preserving vibrant traditions of song, dance, and colorful festivals. The main language is Mandarin, but you'll hear local dialects and even English in tourist areas, a reflection of how open and welcoming this small town has become. The people of Yangshuo are known for their warmth and creativity. Many are artists, musicians, and storytellers who find daily inspiration in the mountains around them. If you're enjoying this journey so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support keeps stories like this alive. Though Yangshuo is small compared to China's industrial giants like Shenzhen or Shanghai, its economy shines in a different way. Tourism is the lifeblood here, bringing in millions of visitors from across China and the world. Eco-tourism, outdoor sports, and cultural experiences have become the city's key economic drivers. In recent years, Yangshuo has invested in smart tourism technology, using apps, QR codes, and digital guides to improve visitor experiences while protecting its fragile environment. This balance between development and nature makes Yangshuo a model for sustainable growth in China's smaller cities. Yangshuo's architecture tells a story of tradition meeting modern life. The old stone houses with curved roofs stand beside modern eco-resorts and boutique hotels that blend seamlessly with the hills. Transportation has improved dramatically. Highways and high-speed rail now connect Yangshuo to major cities like Guilin and Guangzhou in just a few hours. Yet, once you step into the countryside, you'll find narrow paths, bamboo rafts, and villages where time feels frozen. This mix of accessibility and authenticity is what makes Yangshuo one of the most beloved travel destinations in southern China.